How to check the air leakage of the building. How to test the cooling efficiency of the working air conditioner. How to detect the underfloor heating leakage on the flat floor. How to pinpoint the leaking spot on the warm pipe quickly. The HIKMICRO Mini series can help to find out the invisible problems, Mini design, light and portable. USB Type-C interface adapted to Android system. High image quality with 25 Hz image frequency. Excellent thermal sensitivity and temperature measurement accuracy. Multiple measurement tools suit different needs. Diversified color palettes. Choose whatever you like. Start to use Mini series with just one step. Find hidden dangers. Find missing insulation part of your house. Find moisture problems by detecting the heat differentials. It is easy to save an image or a video as an evidence to show where the problem is. Detect heating system without destroying the wooden or tile floor. Instant notification when temperature exceeds preset alarm value. See the heat source even in the dark night.